friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a bunch of stores. We have a midweek haul and also Rite Aid at the very end. Sorry, I ran out of room for the thumbnail, so I didn't put Rite Aid in. But if you're a Rite Aid shopper, I have a Rite Aid deal pour vous. First thing we're going to talk about is we're going to go to Walgreens. And yes, seems like the only thing I talk about is Christmas clearance. And as of this morning, a lot of ladies on Instagram, Lorena, they're super duper influencers for Walgreens. They're all saying that the Christmas clearance went from 60 to 80 as of Wednesday, December the 11th. If you have a couple seconds to moonwalk at your store, sometimes if stores have an abundancy of an item, they'll start the clearance a little bit early. The manager will do it. I'm not sure if it's that or if it's across the board, but if you have a little bit of time and you really wanted some Hallmark bags or some toys or something, I wouldn't mind heading over. I will head out there myself and take a look and let you guys know. Yeah, so it's pretty exciting. And I was at a store yesterday and they had a lot of stuff tagged and there was still a lot of stuff like people are just not buying. And I've been going so hard with Walmart. I think I'm going to go with a very light Christmas haul for my Walgreens. But yeah, anywho, maybe something to do this morning if you have a little bit of time. The next little piece of business that we're going to talk about, guys, is this. The boosters showed up this morning, which is January the 11th. So go to your digital coupons folder. It should be right at the top and load it. This is valid from the 15th to the 21st. So next week we will use it and make some deals happen. So the first deal that we're going to look at is with the Oral-B brushes, and not a lot of people are talking about this deal, but it's actually like a $4 money maker, so it's very easy to do, and free toothbrushes, so who doesn't love that? So these toothbrushes are $3 a pop. Buy two, get back a $4 register reward, and that is a manufacturer register reward. It's not a store coupon, so go and figure out that mystery. In your digital coupons folder, what you're going to do, guys, is load this guy, which is a $2 coupon. And yeah, you're kind of like, oh, that's somewhat chintzy, but it'll make sense here in a quick second. Now, you'll have to go over to your IBOTTA account. And we're getting $2 back for each. So definitely double, triple check that you have the same rebate as so we're on the same page of music. Okay, two of those brushes at $3 a pop is $6. Subtracting that digital coupon, I would also throw in $4 in Walgreens cash, pay down the tax, get yourself a $4 register reward out of the machine, and then $2 back from IBOTTA twice, so that's $4 back. So it makes it free plus a $4 money maker. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you absolutely can use Walgreens cash and that register reward will print pour vous. And just to give you eyes on the register reward, if you look at the top, it says manufacturer, $4. I mean, that's pretty great. Very happy with that. And the next deal that we're going to look at, more dental stuff. I mean, do it, guys, because sometimes we have no deals with no toothpaste. So these are $3.99. Buy two, get back a $4 register reward. Now, what makes this deal so sweet this week is that Colgate gave us this coupon. It's expiring on Saturday, so definitely use it or lose it, but it's a 4 off a 2, so it makes it free. So grabbing two for $7.98, subtracting that coupon, you're paying $3.98, getting back a $4 register reward, making this free. Again, you're doing this without a booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash, and that register reward will print pour vous. Just to show you guys, here is the $4 manufacturer if you look at the top, and in Colgate Palmolive. So how nice is that? I'm going to use those next week. Okay, the last deal that we're going to look at that I think you should be doing this week is with the Dove shampoo. Grabbing two of these for $8. And there was supposed to be a deodorant coupon, but it never seemed to materialize. So who really knows what that's all about? But this guy had a $7.99 off a 2 digital, so I'll just show it to you. Boom, here it is. Make sure you have that loaded. So grabbing two of the shampoos, or if you want to get a shampoo and conditioner, that's $16 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $8.01, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $4 for the two or $2 per shampoo. If you wish to use Walgreens cash, you're not using this deal in concert with a booster. Yes, absolutely go for it. I printed for me while I was in the store, so it is $9 of Walgreens cash when you spend $40. With that booster I just got like earlier today, I'm definitely going to stack this with a Delio, and like how nice is that? So really happy with that. Be on the lookout for those coming out of the Catalina machine. Okay, the next store that we're headed to, guys, is Walmart. And as you know, Walmart clearance on Monday, January the 9th hit 90%. Included are these 3 packs of the men's, it's called a crew sock. And it's like a whole bunch of different like licensed like Bugs Bunny, Academy Hero, Ted Lasso, all that stuff. Where I found it specifically was not in a merchandise Christmas aisle. It was actually in the men's section where they have like underwear, long johns, that sort of stuff, and it was on an end cap, not with the regular socks, on its own, or you'll find it on a pegboard. A couple friends in Utah were scoring this really big, and I was able to find some, and they're ringing up for 49 cents. The original price point for this was $4.99, so it's like a men's licensed like stocking stuffer. They are super, super adorable. I found like, I think 10 last year, and that was a hot item. Everybody wanted some from me because they're so cute. If you go to the site brickseek.com, if you wish to type in some of these UPCs, if your store might have them in stock, it's always kind of like not so reliable. I would just go and look for it if you have like a quick second. But these are some of the UPCs of some of the socks, and I found a ton, and I didn't clear the store because I don't even know what Ted Lasso is about. So I haven't even watched that show yet. So I was really hyper with this find because, I mean, this is just some tremendous, like, it's a bounty when you find these socks for 49 cents. And, I found these on a Tuesday afternoon, like more than a day and a half after clearance started. People were just not looking for them. So maybe you'll have some luck and find some. So be on the lookout for these 3 packs of these licensed character socks. Now, in the book section, so you'll have to go to the back of the store or wherever they might have it, they have an entire merchandise end cap. So it's at the end of an aisle. That's why it's called an end cap. And they still had all the Christmas books, and they had a 90% off sign, and somebody pushed it up. So I think it was another couponer in this store, and they left it for a friend or something like that. But there was a ton of books, and a lot of these that are, say, like $8, it's down to 80 cents. I do a lot for Operation Christmas Child, and I also like to gift like a ton of like books for my nieces and nephews just to get them reading. That's something I love to focus on education-wise, because I think it's so important, not only for kids to enjoy the magic of Christmas, but to enjoy reading. And so like a lot of Paw Patrol, Disney, a lot of these books, 80 cents, 62 cents, cheap, cheap, cheap. Do love, definitely, if you have little ones, go to Walmart, look through that book section. You might have to spend a couple minutes, or you might find an entire merchandise end cap like this one and just be like, oh my gosh. So that was pretty cool. Let's head over to Dollar General. This guy is in question. So all of the air care hit 50% yesterday. So this guy is $1.75. If your store is updated where they don't have a keypad register at checkout and you get 3 receipts, you're probably going to have some issues with trying to get one free item where it just will kick the coupon out. If you have a non-updated store, this should be easy breezy for you. So here is the UPC. If you wish to scan it in the Dollar General app to show that it's ringing up for $1.75. And we have a $1.75 digital coupon. So I would recommend non-updated stores. During the last clearance event, when I was trying to get little items for overage at an updated store, I was having the same issues. Here's the math. Grabbing one of these for $1.75, holiday clearance, subtracting that digital, it's free. You're just going to have to pay like the tax. Again, updated stores, you might run into a bit of an issue with that. So just be very mindful of that. If the coupon does not come off, there might be something wrong with your system. And then again, with Christmas clearance, it all hits 70%. I made a dedicated video on this, and I gave you guys a bunch of UPCs, stuff to look out for. The estimated date for the 25-cent sale is on the 17th, which is next Tuesday. Last year, items hit 70 and then went from 70 to the quarter sale. There was no 90. It jumped right to that. And I think the year previous as well. I always make content around this, like, because I'm mildly obsessed. But definitely, go to your store and scout to see what they might have. And when you can get a lot of this stuff for 25 cents, that's absolutely where it's at. Okay, so the final store that we have is Rite Aid. I know it's a pharmacy that not everybody has. What I did for this basket was I grabbed 1 Colgate mouthwash, 1 toothpaste, and then 8 Febreze air care products. So the Febreze air care products are $3.29, and the fabrics were included as well. So I was very surprised by that. So at my store, I was able to use 4 of these P&G coupons. This is the last time we'll ever be able to use them because this insert will be no longer as of this month, which is kind of sad. And then I grabbed one of the mouthwashes for $3.99 and one of the pastes for $3.99. For both of these items, we have $2, like a $2 off of the wash and then a $2 off of the paste. Make sure you have both of those loaded. $4 of bonus cash when you buy 2. And so I got the cashier to scan this. If you wish to grab a screenshot, it's like a flu coupon, and it'll give you $5 off of a $25 basket. Okay, so looking at the math for this, guys, 8 of those Febreze products is $26.32, and then 2 Colgates is $7.98 for a grand total of $34.30. I got the cashier to scan the flu coupon. I had 2 $2 coupons for the Colgate coming off, along with $13.16 with the BOGO free coupons. So I paid $12.14, got back $4 in bonus cash, and then I have tracking for both Colgate and the Febreze bonus cash challenges. Just to show you, this is a spend 30, get back 6. I already got $4 back, so I have to do the deal one more time to get my last, $2 for this deal. Totally worth it. I'm going to do that this week because I don't want to not use my my BOGO free P&G coupons. But the bonus cash challenges, you might want to check that out. I think I have a link I'll post in the notes if you wish to sign up for this. It's just a way at Rite Aid to sign up for something, and then the items that you're typically buying with your store card, they give you a little bit extra. You have 2 months to do these little get these little freebies or these items, and then you get extra bonus cash. I got $70 at the beginning of January. How nice is that? Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.